Hi, let's take one more question, that is again it is a word problem. Question is, out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 43 persons speak French. Each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English, how many speak only French, and how many speak both English and French? So again we can solve this sum by two ways. Either we can solve by Venn diagram or we can solve by formula. We have already learned this sum using Venn diagram. Now let's understand how exactly we are going to solve this sum using formula. Now the question says that 72 persons speak English and 42 persons speak French. That means we are talking about two subjects. So we'll denote number of persons who speak English with letter E and we'll denote the number of persons who speak French with letter F. So n of E will be 72 and n of F will be 43 in mathematical form. Further it says that each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. When we say at least one language, it means either English or French, and when we say or, it is nothing but union. That means n of E union F is given as 100. Now let's use formula, that is n of E union F is equal to n of E plus n of F minus n of E intersection F. Let's substitute the values and see what do we get. In place of n of E union F, we'll substitute its value which is 100 is equal to, in place of n of E, we'll substitute its value which is 72 plus in place of n of F, we'll substitute its value which is 43 minus n of E intersection F will remain as it is. So let's do further calculation. 100 is equal to 72 plus 43. When we add, we will get 115 minus n of E intersection F will remain as it is. Now, in order to get value of n of E intersection F, we'll have to shift this term on left side and we'll bring this 100 on right side. So when we shift this negative n of E intersection F on left side, it will become positive n of E intersection F is equal to 115, and when we shift this 100 on other side, it will become minus 100. So we get 115 minus 100 which is equal to 15. So number of person who speak English and French is 15. So we have three values, n of E, n of F and n of E intersection F. Now we need to find how many speak only English. Now if you observe, n of E is 72, that means number of person who speak English is 72. But from this 72, 15 are those person who speak French along with English. That means if we want to find number of person who speak only English, we'll have to subtract this 15 from 72, that is n of E minus n of E intersection F, that is 72 minus 15, and 72 minus 15 gives us 57. That means number of person who speak only English is given as 57. Now we have to find how many persons speak only French. If we observe, number of person who speak French is given as 43, out of which 15 are those person who speak English along with French. That means if we want to find number of person who speak only French, we'll have to subtract this 15 from 43, that is n of F minus n of E intersection F, which is 43 minus 15, and that 43 minus 15 is equals to 28. That means number of person who speak only French is 28, and number of person who speak both English and French is 15.